Hey everybody, today I wanted to talk to you about mediocrity or being average. Somehow it's been ingrained in us that being average is okay. That concept of if it was good enough for me, then it's good enough for you. Ladies and gentlemen, being mediocre or being average is not okay. It isn't. And don't feed that nonsense to your children. If it was good enough for me, then it's good enough for you. No, it should be, this is where I was, this is where I want you to be. Push the future generation to achieve their best, to put in their full potential. For example, from an academic standpoint, a 65 shows passing. But it's not okay if that's all you put in. A 65, it is okay if you started with a 45 and you worked hard, you worked diligently, you put in all your effort and achieved that 65. That 65 does not represent average at that point. It represents maximum potential. However, if you achieve a 65 because that's all the effort you put in, 65%, it's not okay. And don't accept that. If you see that and you know, listen, I tell people, when people lie, they lie to someone else thinking that they're fooling someone else. But the reality is they're fooling themselves. So I tell people, if you lie to me, it doesn't matter. You think that you've fooled me. You're fooling yourself. Because at the end of the day, when you get up or go to bed and you're resting and those lies come through your mind, you're the one that's going to be losing sleep, not me, because you lied to me. It doesn't matter to me. Don't lie to yourselves. Achieving average or achieving mediocrity, it is an insult to you. You weren't put on this earth to achieve average or to be mediocre. You were put on this earth to achieve greatness. So do that. In everything that you do today, think about it. Think to yourself, am I putting forth excellence? Am I putting forth 100%? Because ladies and gentlemen, when you put out 100%, you get 100%. It may not be at that moment in time, but I promise you, you're just putting it into the bank, putting it into the bank, putting it to the bank, and it will come out. Your interest will be more than what you put in. In anything you do in this life, don't look at it as being mediocre. Don't come from a standpoint of average. Put forth excellence, because that's what you are. Excellence. You were made in excellence, therefore you were made to achieve greatness. Being mediocre? No. So think about that today. Am I doing my best? And if you can say yes, beautiful. And if you know the answer is no, work harder. This is the Fitter Woman. Please leave your comments below. I welcome them. Have an awesome day.